sizzling, and this is what it looks like. So what we're gonna do is put that there. Smells very good. So now we're gonna put our sauteed onions and bell peppers into the mix. Now we're gonna let this simmer for a while, and I'll get back to you when it is finished. So now what we're gonna do is corn tortillas. Not my favorite, like I said before, but we're gonna put some olive oil on the pan first. Ooh. Sorry. Okay. Alright, it's kind of going a little too, I think I fired the heat up a little too much. Alright. Alright, so we're going to put some olive oil on here. Not too much. And we're going to have we're going to use 2 corn tortillas. Just 2. Now, because this is like a flat squared pan, we can't really have, it can't really be, can't go all over the place because, well, you know. Alright, alright. Alright, so as you can see, it's starting to bubble up, and you can tell when corn tortillas are ready really when it starts getting brown on like one part, the other part. Now it doesn't have to be like, you don't have to cook your corn tortillas, but I prefer to cook it because I feel like it will taste better. Same for flour tortillas, you can do the same, doesn't really matter. The meat looks like it's almost ready, so we're gonna lower the heat a little bit, teeny bit there. So I'll show you what it was. Alright guys, so this is the finished product of the taco. If you could see it. This is it right there. Hope you liked the video. Put a like, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.